Hi, I'm Rod, I'm the COO of Vorboss, and I look after all the operational side of things. So that's the build and the construction and the planning of the fibre network in London. The LMV, or the light maintenance vehicle as we call it, is a kind of cargo e-bike that we've adapted, we've adjusted and the layout to turn into a mobile workstation that we can use to assist in us rolling out fibre in London. So what the LMV allows us to do is actually get right onto the pavement itself, avoid looking for a parking space, avoid taking up space and clogging up roads, and actually barrier that off on the pavement and get to work straight away. It's pedal powered or battery powered, and it enables us to move quicker through traffic and get to site much faster, and obviously with zero emissions. And so we're leading the way in meeting the Mayor's goals on sustainability and net zero by 2030. So it's actually designed in-house by our design and innovation team, who work really closely with the field teams to understand how they'd use it, but also with Fernhay, who manufacture these bikes for cargo and for delivery companies, and that we worked really closely with them to build something that's fully integrated.
Hi, I'm Sergio, Head of Design Innovation at Vorboss. The bike is equipped with a pull-up working table, drawers with specific tools for splicing, also a compartment for various and heavy equipment. The idea came for transforming a cargo e-bike into a part of equipment needed for the splicing job.
So its prime use case at the moment is around splicing. So that's the kind of fiddly joining of fibres that people have to do out in the street, and it's great for that. But we're already looking at it in a number of other uses, some of the customer connections we can take it to, even some of our bigger scale jobs actually, we can fit all sorts of tools in the back.
The whole project it took 10 months, from the first sketches until the pre-production unit. I really have enjoyed sketching a vehicle that is so sustainable. Feedback we have received from testing has been really positive. It has allowed Vorboss to show the future of the industry.